Hi guys, welcome back. Today's the day. We've been waiting since last Wednesday. There it is. There it is. The Mavic Mini 2. Actually, the DJI Mini 2. Anyways, we're gonna open it up today. Oh, I'm so excited. Oh, this is going to be great. I'm so excited. Are you kidding me? Hi everyone, welcome back. Let's try this all over again. There it is, guys. It's finally here. Wow. The Mini 2 Fly More Combo. I am so excited to get this thing in the air. I doubt we'll be doing that today, but we definitely want to open her up, get the batteries all charged, get the controller charged, and do some updates. And hopefully, if the weather is good tomorrow, we can actually bring you guys a nice flight. Anyways, let's open it up and have a quick look. There's so many videos out there right now that I already know what's inside, and I'm sure the rest of us do too. But we're going to open her up and take a look ourselves. Throw that in there. And you know, this is a different bag, and I think it's kind of cool. Okay. Yeah, this is kind of a cool bag. You know, this is great for your throwing it over your shoulder when you're out and about. I kind of wish it had you know, maybe an outside pouch to stick a monitor in, but you know, maybe that's something they can think of for the next one. Anyways, let's figure out how to unzip this. Oh wow. Oh wow. You know, it's got a nice zipper pocket up here, and it looks like in the zipper pocket they have all the propellers, exactly the same propellers as the Mavic Mini. They're screw-on propellers. I don't like that. So we got 1, 2, 3 packs and a little screwdriver. We got some extra thumbsticks. I think we're going to leave these actually inside the pouch, because that's not something we need right away. Inside here we have the instruction booklet. I never really read any of these. I'm sure most of you don't, but anyways, it is there. what do we got here? We have another, this bag looks really nice, you know. And actually, you know what? Down the side here, it actually looks like you probably could put a, you know, a small iPad or something in there. That's kind of cool. I'm going to be using my regular iPad, and I'm hoping maybe I can shove that in there, you know, when I go out. I might be able to do that. Okay, now inside this box, it looks like we have the power pack, power bank. Let's open that up because we're going to need this. Okay, they've already oh, that's cool. That's a little bit different. You press down here to release the battery. So we got one, we got two, and I'm assuming the third battery is inside the drone. So we put that there. We're going to need that. We have a charging brick. This is identical to the Mavic Mini. Okay. This here is our cables for connecting the controller to whatever you have. You have a USB-C to micro USB. You have a USB-C to a USB-C, and I'm assuming on the controller USB-C to iOS, so I'll be swapping that one out. So we got that in there, and let's see. Okay, and we have a cable here, and it looks like they only gave one cable here for charging. That's going to be charging up this, unless the controller has another cable. I guess we'll have to charge this up first, then charge up the controller. We'll take that out and take a look at it. Let's see what else is in here. Okay, it doesn't look like there's anything else in there. We'll put that aside. Now this is going to be the different part, you know. I know the Mini 2 is identical to the Mavic Mini, with a few extra different features actually on the drone. But this here is the new controller. This is going to be different. And of course, you know, just like the original, in the bottom there, they put the sticks, you know, and the sticks will just screw in there. Okay, and how does this open up? Okay, this, oh, I see. Okay. It looks like we got a bit of power in here. Maybe there's power in the drone too. Okay, it looks like we got power. Okay, but we're going to charge this up fully. Let's see what yes, I was right. There is an iOS cable in there, plugged in here. So I think what we're going to do is we're going to leave that there, because I think our first flight we're going to use the iPad, so we need this one anyway. If this one isn't long enough, I think I do have another one that we can plug in there. I just got to remember it's USB-C now, not micro USB like the first Mini. So, oh, that is so cool. And you know what? this controller being bigger, it feels just as good as the original Mavic Mini. You know, I'm not going to have any problems working this. This feels really good in the hands. And I do like the idea that everything is USB-C for charging on the new Mini too. So we got that. Now, best of all, here we have the Mini 2. The appearance of it is identical. The only thing I noticed on this that looks anything different is the motors look a little bit different. They're still screw-on props, and on the props here they have an orange stripe. But other than that, they do have a little beam here. This is going to be lights. Apparently in the app you're going to be able to change this green, blue, red, whatever you want. And like I said, on the new Mini, let's get this sticker up. The new Mini here, this is where your micro USB card goes, and it's USB-C for charging. This is really good. And I really like the idea that this comes with a propeller guard. The first one I bought little rubber ones that fit on there, because these things are so thin, so sensitive, that you definitely want to have them protected when you're putting them in and out of any bag. So I really like that idea. I really like that idea. Okay, so let's open this up. And let's get some of these here. Okay, we're gonna put them on there. We have a sticker here. We're gonna pull that off. And it looks like we got a sticker on the prop here. I want to be careful with this one. I don't want to break the props right off the bat. But see, these are different. These are really different. And you know, on the original Mini, what I did like to make things easier, I know my eyes aren't that great, is on the original Mavic Mini, they had opposite props with two stripes at the end, so you kind of knew that they went in those areas. And then these ones here would have been one stripe. I noticed on this, all the stripes are exactly the same, but the one thing that they did do with this, like they did with the original Mini, is they have a little tick mark right here and right here, and on these props they have a little tick mark right here, so you will be able to identify which props go where. So even if these were all in a box, you would look on here and it has that little nick there, so you know that it's going to be these props that go on there. So that's pretty cool. Okay, now we're gonna take this battery out, and that's what's a lot different too. This has a lower milliamp, but apparently more power, and definitely it feels a little bit lighter than the one from the original Mavic Mini. So this is great. So we're going to plug that in there. Okay, and that's like almost ready to go. We just got to find a plug and get this sucker plugged in. I think we are going to have a flight tomorrow. Anyways, that's what she looks like here. Close that up. And I think we'll fold this back up. Yeah, this is really cool, guys. This is really cool. And we've watched a lot of videos. We've watched a lot of videos on the performance of this thing, so we're really excited. There she is. There she is. Oh well, it's going to take some getting used to. Anyways, guys, I want to thank everyone for watching today, and we're going to go inside. We're going to charge up these batteries, and we're going to charge up the controller, and hopefully tomorrow we're going to put this baby in the air and bring you a nice flight. All right, thanks for watching. Catch you later.